Welcome to Koh Young here at SMTA Guadalajara. Delighted to be joined by Enrique Hernandez. Nice to see you, Enrique.
Nice to meet you, Trevor.
Okay, so I believe you're the country manager here, responsible for Koh Young?
Yeah, I am the regional sales manager for the Northeast for Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah, so I am taking care about some accounts like Monterrey, Sonora, Coahuila, and Durango. That is my coverage area for sales.
It's quite a big territory, so it keeps you busy, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So tell us a bit more about the footprint of Koh Young in Mexico. I mean, do you have a big installed base here? What do you have in terms of support engineers and this type of thing?
Right. Yeah. Actually, this is a good question because one of the strongest point for Koh Young is the large install base in Mexico, and the large support guys that we have. So as I told you before, some of these engineers, most of them are there were our customers before.
Right.
So these guys are former engineers. They have a good knowledge about the SPI and AOI machines. So that is a.
Well, it's a good start, but then of course you
Yes.
take them in and give them special training directly on the equipment.
Yeah, right,
as well.
right.
Yeah. And I believe you've got quite a big installed base, or a big number of service engineers here in Mexico.
Yeah, right. So actually, we have more than 20 engineers.
Right. Wow.
Yeah, and these guys are located in strategic cities in Mexico. So we, in this way, we can cover most of the territory.
Right.
And these guys are near from our customers, our current customers. Right. So the support is quickly, it's fast, and sometimes they are driving a lot,
Right.
or flying. But most of the time is driving because they are located near from the customers.
Right.
Yeah.
And these guys are all working directly for Koh Young. They're licensed, they're trained, they're insured. You know, it's not like, because some other people are using other types of independent reps,
Right.
Engineers to do some of the servicing down here. It's important, I think, that you have documented service engineers.
Yeah, right. That's one of the reasons that we have successful here, because the technical support or the field service engineers, they are directly from Koh Young. We don't use any reps to make these kind of installations, trainings, calibrations, even calibrations. These guys are from Koh Young directly. So
Right.
that is one of the strong point that our customers love that Koh Young.
So when it comes to the sales side, though, you do have a rep. I think you're with Repstronics is your main sales representative down here. Is that correct?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So actually, Repstronics is our representative in Mexico for sales, just for sales.
Just for sales,
And we are using his connections, his network, and the infrastructure that they have in Mexico. They have different demo rooms, in training rooms in Mexico. They have in Juarez, Monterrey, and Guadalajara as well.
Right.
So we use this infrastructure to provide certain trainings to our customers. Sometimes the customers in the north, they can move to Guadalajara. So they choose one of these locations to have these kind of trainings.
Right.
Yeah, and we use that kind of infrastructure from Repstronics.
Okay. So let's talk a little bit about some of the incoming manufacturers that are coming into Mexico from places like Asia, Taiwan, etc. How much of these guys are bringing in existing Koh Young equipment and relocating it here, and how much of it is new?
Yeah, I think it's this is a big opportunity for Mexico, because most of them are choosing our country, right? And most of these guys, they are purchasing equipment sometimes in Asia, and they come to Mexico with this kind of equipments.
Yeah.
So our work is just to install, just to take care of these new accounts. Yeah.
Right, excellent, okay. Well, it's interesting. It's a very exciting time for you because
Yeah.
so much happening. But it's really nice to get to know you and to see what's happening with Koh Young here in Mexico.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you for joining us today, Enrique.
Thank you.
Thank you.